Steady, never getting completely ready. And also, look at those festive socks. Merry freaking Christmas. I'm gonna buy a new fitted sheet for the bed because the dogs were running and jumping on and off it. I look like a boy. The dogs were running and jumping on it and off of it back and forth, and one of them like tore a hole in it. All right, give me a kiss and get off the couch. Love you. I'm super proud of myself because I just went to Target and only got everything that I was looking for besides one thing, but it was a candle and it was something that I needed. It's pumpkin spice. But now let's go to one of the nature trails and go on a run. Yay, fit fam.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Every time I open the door, there's more packages on my front doorstep. Headed out now to do a photo shoot. It's for this girl, and it's like half fitness for her business and half Christmas photos. So we're gonna go downtown because I think it's supposed to be super cute down there. I just got home from the salon. Woo! Almost knocked over Mr. Nutcracker. The owner gave me this poinsettia and a Nest candle holiday scent. Housekeeper boxed up some food for me to last me through the holidays. Single, lonely lady life. Caitlin, do you think that Gully is a goner?
Oh, he's been gone.
We're waiting for Caitlin's boyfriend to get here. And she's rushing me to hurry up and get ready so we can all go to dinner, but the only issue that I have is I don't have any clothes because you steal all of them.
You can have a look-see in my closet. Just kidding.
Just kidding, I can't look for my own clothes in your closet.
No!
I wish I had time to do my hair, do I?
Oh my god. Vlogging with
Look who it is! In this corner.
You're so awkward.
Weighing 200 pounds. I don't know.
And he's obviously fucked up. Justin.
Caitlin, you look gorge.
On the inside.
Can you see my chair? I just want to show it off because I'm the queen.
These peppers are from Indonesia, the tribe of the Mahakans.
Those are okra.
Looking for a cider or looking for Can I just do... What's that light beer that you said? The Oasis Luchess. Is that good? I mean, it's the lightest one I have. If you find the extra Coors Light, I'll take one of those. Hey! There's so little.
Oysters. They're from Prince Edward Island.
You're gonna look back at this and you're gonna be like, I was so annoyed.
I'm like, don't film me.
Yeah, so it's just cocktail sauce today.
You should have made something up funny. It would have been great.
Oysters shucked. Saltines unbagged. Fourth course.
The octopus?
Yes, he said it's very thinly sliced.
Oh.
That looks amazing. I'm getting a little wine drunk right now. But mostly, I'm just really happy to be here.
I'm wine drunk too.
Oh my god. He really did that. What if they reply?
He's probably gonna reply right now.
What if they send one back?
We went upstairs and we got a table, but they told us like 45 minutes, but it's been like an hour and a half today. So we just want to see if they got the middle finger emoji, so we sent it.
They actually did.
Did they really get it? Do you think they'll text back?
When I actually go get the laptop to show you.
Okay.
So it literally went on their iPad.
Yeah, so if you ever message anybody back that does like any,
Oh my god.
yeah.
It has your
Oh,
name and
actually,
everything.
Yeah, that's my number. There's a spider.
There's not a spider.
Look.
Okay, then go to the next one. That's a string, not a spider.
That's a spider. I can't.
Yeah, you can. He's gonna like pull the whole thing down.
How if we die? The spider's gonna come down on you.
Spider Nation!
Then you're gonna turn into Spider-Man.
by himself.
One.
3, 4. This is my secret spot. This is actually where we just did the photo shoot. And now we back. Caitlin, oh my god, you're walking through the freaking fountain right now.
What is this? What is this? Okay, you look this way. Is the read good? Okay. That is over dramatic.
I kind of want a scooter, but then again, I'm also like, I don't even trust myself walking in heels, you know?
But you're
Just stand there.
Those things literally go 20 miles an hour.
stand that.
Ooh, she's got it down. Wow.
Wait, it wasn't going.
He is a pro at this.
Push that little tab down.
This is the brake that you're paying, but it won't go. You can't just push it down. You have to like push like a scooter, and then this is a gas, but it won't go. You have to like push off and go.
Okay, let me go. Go. Sorry, I got scared. Let me try again. Oh, yeah.
Let me try.
You gotta catch me first.
What's the title?
Push it. 2 girls, 1 scooter. Ah! Cut it.
How did it gain so much speed?
You have to get on.
Ready?
Oh god, I'm being squished.
No!
My uterus.
I'm on!
Hold on her stomach.
Okay, I'm
She's got a vlog.
Let's go. I can't fucking do this. I can't.
You can do it, man.
Wait, there's 3 birds across the street?
3 birds right there.
Oh my god. We've just been hanging out in a hotel bar.
Cafe.
It's like a drugstore. Look. I'm trying to show the Tide Pods.
We're doing the Tide Pod challenge.
Alright, go.
What are you doing? We're doing the Tide Pod challenge.
Goodbye.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the vlog. We really enjoyed it. So make sure you subscribe. Oh my car, look at that. Make sure to subscribe down below before you go and
Later, skaters.
yeah.